Welcome again to Jog On, running you through to geography success. This episode is going to focus on the case studies which you can use and recall for a variety of exam questions in G3. At G3 and G4 there's a range of case studies which you need to recall. You need to make sure where you're putting them in and that you're using them in the right context. So, if we take a look at the case studies that you have got, in development you must be able to recall a Brandt line divide, so identifying the rich north and the poor south. You need to be able to identify measures of development. So with those measures of development you need to decide which are simple, which are complex. You need to use the following examples: Niger, Singapore, Norway. For looking at development socially, you need to look at Saudi Arabia and the role of women. The USA and trade, Africa and politics, the development of India and China are very important. South Korea is a really important case study which can be utilised in a variety of contexts. Also, you need to have examples of trade blocks, types of trade, so for example fair trade, and the variety of types of aid. These are mostly forming the type of named examples rather than case studies. Going on to glaciation, you must be able to recall the landforms, so those formed by erosion, transport and deposition. You also need to identify the processes, so abrasion, plucking and freeze-thaw. In terms of the area of permafrost opportunities, you must be able to describe thermokarst and the Trans-Alaskan Pipeline. For avalanche management, you need to look at Gorto, and for managing glacial environments, you need to understand what is going on in Storonia National Park. Focusing again now on G3B. G3B, you must be able to do the following with your study: the planning stages, data collection, data refinement, analysis and interpretation, conclusion and improving your study. So you need to go through your study, which this year is on clone towns, and make sure you have the skills able to recall and analyse those in an examination setting. Thank you for watching.